evening to you all. My name is Daniel Langlois and I'm your flight manager on this service to Newcastle. It is my pleasure to welcome you all on board today's flight. I have three wonderful crew members that will be assisting me on today's flight. We have Sophie and Ben that will be working in the rear of the aircraft, and we have Edward that will be assisting me in the forward section of the aircraft. We're here for your safety as well as your comfort on today's flight. A special welcome to those of you returning from our British Airways Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated and must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When you open the overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We're pleased to offer the free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for all members of the British Airways Club on today's flight. Shortly you'll be able to connect to the BA Wi-Fi or join the club at shop.ba.com to get started. For travel inspiration and destination guides and tips on how to make the most of your time in the sky, read the digital version of Highlight magazine for free by the .air Wi-Fi login screen on your personal electronic devices. Your seat belt is available to your seat area and this will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched on. All phones should be placed to silent and headphones must be used for any audio to